Hello, today we will be talking about different technologies in liposuction we use. I'm a big fan of technologies, and every technology which is there in the world has some advantage to it. And it is our job as a surgeon to see what is their advantage and how we can use it to the best of our patients. So, if you can just come closer and show that this is a device called Power Assisted Liposuction. This is a MicroAire which is US FDA approved. And this is a device which is Ultrasound Assisted Liposuction and it's called Vaser. Again, even this is US FDA approved. These both are top-notch devices, famous all across the globe. We are proud that we have both of them in our armamentarium, and we will be just showing you how each of them help in different procedures of liposuction. So let's talk about Power Assisted Liposuction first. This is a MicroAire device, as I just said. This is a handpiece, and what it brings to it, that once you are doing the surgery, this cannula vibrates like this. Now what this helps is, it helps in breaking down the fat. You can choose the speed you want to work with, low speed, medium speed and high speed. It helps in breaking down fat without much of tissue trauma, so that the surgery is done easily. Now this is the fat, and how we go inside is that in the body we are doing like this, and it is breaking the fat without much of tissue trauma, and this is what MicroAire helps us achieve. Now let's talk about what Vaser achieves. Now this is a Vaser. You can set up the temperature you want to achieve with that. This is an ultrasound assisted liposuction device, and these rings which are there at the top of the cannula release ultrasound waves. Now what does this waves do is they convert it to thermal energy and helps in melting the fat. Another advantage is that this heat also helps in skin shrinkage. So you are not only just melting the fat with Vaser, you also achieve skin tightening. So how we do it, we take this inside the fatty layer of the body, and you can hear this sound. This sound is of melting of fat. So you keep on doing like this, and the fat will melt very easily without doing much of tissue trauma. This is what Vaser does.